today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's a soft, naturally pretty, romantic look for your first date and your romantic date. Using the Naturally Pretty Romantics from It Cosmetics. It's a gorgeous palette, guys. They have like a soft, romantic mauves shades in here and cool tones in here. Basically, it's a cool toned eyeshadow palette. Bunch of soft, nice pastels in here, and smoky eyes in here. So you can totally play with the colors. They're all matte. That's why I'm using another product from Stila. It's Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade of Cloud. Mauve purple shimmer. And I just pop it on my lid. So yeah, because I just like to put some shimmer on my eyelid. I'm just not into that all matte kind of eye look. I just like to have some shimmer on my eyelids, you know what I'm saying? It's a very pretty palette, perfect for your natural romantic look with this together. So I'm using this for shimmer, and this palette is perfect for your natural romantic look. So yeah, you can totally play with the mauves and smoky eyes in here. You can totally play with the colors. It's a very fun palette. This is my soft, naturally pretty, romantic look, perfect for your first date and romantic days. You can also wear it for Valentine's. If you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start off with the primer. I'm going to be using the No PoreBlem primer from Touch in Soul. This primer is amazing, guys. It blurs your imperfections, it blurs your blemishes, and it minimizes your pores. I really like the primer, guys. It really minimizes the appearance of your pores. I really like it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass foundation in Buff. It's a stick foundation, guys. For me, it works well with dry skin. I'm so into stick foundation. It really works well for dry skin. So works well for dry skin, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as usual. Also use it to prime my eyelids. Now we're gonna go in with the Hourglass powder. Seriously, guys, it's my holy grail product. On your T-zone. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Pretty Romantics palette from It Cosmetics. Look at the color, guys. Ooh. It's perfect for a romantic day. So I'm gonna be taking the shade right here, Sweetness, and put it all over your lid. As the base of your lid, guys. Now we're gonna take the shade right here, Desire. It's like a nice mauve pinkish shade. Put it here as your transition shade. Now we're gonna take the shade right here, a nice purple shade. It's your transition. Now we're going to take the shade right here, Devotion, and put it on your outer V. We're gonna soften the edges. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Now we're gonna go in with the shimmer. I'm using Stila shimmer in the shade of Cloud. It's a nice purple mauve shade, kind of. Pat it on your lid. Man, it's pretty. Put some more. Ooh. I love this. It's so lovely. It's pretty. It's perfect for this romantic look. It's perfect for this romantic mauve look. Some more of that purple, dark purple shade on your outer V. I'm gonna mix this color with this. I'm gonna put these two on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do an eyeliner for today. Taking the black shade right here, kind of soften the eyeliner with this. Kind of smoke it out. Let's go with the eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Glossier Boy Brow in Brown. Just going to brush up those eyebrows. Going to use the Anastasia Brow Wisp and fill out the gaps in hair strokes. I really love this product, guys, for eyebrows. Now let's do the eyelashes. The L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Curl those eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my Holy Grail Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner and run it along your upper lash line. Now we're gonna move on with the face. I'm gonna be using this bronzer from Lisa Frank, my favorite, guys. It's so gorgeous, really. Put it in the hollows of your cheeks. very exciting part, guys. I'm going to be using the Nars Orgasm Liquid Blush. I haven't used this before. It's my first time using this, so let's see how it's going to work out. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, I love this. It's pretty. Wow. It makes your face really dewy and glowy, this liquid blush. I love it. Now I'm going to be using this Colourpop highlighter in Wisp. A little bit on your nose, your inner corners. Robo. I'm going to powder my lip line before going with the lip liner. I'm going to be using this Kylie lip liner in Koko. Go in with Kylie liquid lipstick in Koko. Is that gorgeous muted pink? I love it, guys. It's so soft. It's gorgeous. Jesus. It has a lovely scent. Like rum raisin scent. I mean, in my opinion, it smells like rum raisin. This lip color is perfect for a natural romantic look. It's perfect for your romantic day. Let's finish off with the setting spray. So refreshing. Yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below which products are your favorites. Please let me know what product you like to use on your face for a soft, naturally pretty, romantic look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!